10 warning signs of dementia. Recognize early symptoms for a better tomorrow. Dementia is a general term used to describe a decline in cognitive function that interferes with daily life. It's a condition that affects millions worldwide, and while it primarily affects older adults, it can start much earlier. If you or someone you know is experiencing troubling changes in memory, behavior, or abilities, recognizing the early warning signs of dementia is crucial for ensuring timely diagnosis and care. Early intervention can help slow the progression of the disease and significantly improve quality of life. Let's dive into the 10 warning signs of dementia and why you should take them seriously. 1. Memory changes that affect day-to-day abilities. One of the most noticeable early signs of dementia is a significant change in memory, especially when it begins to interfere with everyday tasks. You might forget where you put your keys, but people with dementia often forget important information or struggle to recall things they've recently learned. This could involve forgetting appointments, losing track of recent conversations, or struggling to retain new information. Unlike the occasional forgetfulness many experience as they age, dementia causes more frequent and persistent memory loss. For example, someone living with dementia may forget the names of close friends or family members, and may need repeated reminders about important events. This type of memory lapse isn't just occasional, it becomes more frequent and noticeable. 2. Difficulty doing familiar tasks. We all experience moments when we feel distracted or make small mistakes, like forgetting to stir a pot on the stove. However, a person with dementia will have difficulty performing routine tasks that they've done countless times before. Whether it's preparing a meal, getting dressed, or paying bills, these familiar tasks can become overwhelming and confusing. They might forget the steps involved in these tasks, or may not recognize the proper items needed for a simple task. Dementia strips away the ability to perform tasks that were once second nature, such as writing a letter or even managing personal finances. If you notice such challenges, it's crucial to observe if these difficulties occur frequently or worsen over time. 3. Changes in language and communication. It's common to occasionally forget a word or lose track of a conversation, but those living with dementia may struggle significantly with language. They might forget basic words or substitute inappropriate ones, making their speech unclear and hard to follow. You may also notice that they pause frequently, unable to find the right word or continue a conversation. In more severe stages, they may completely lose the ability to understand or form coherent sentences. These communication difficulties often frustrate those with dementia, and as they lose their ability to express themselves clearly, they may also withdraw from conversations. 4. Disorientation in time and place. Everyone forgets the day of the week, or gets distracted when walking into a room and forgets what they were doing. However, someone with dementia may become disoriented about time, date, and even place. They may forget how they arrived at a location, such as walking in their neighborhood and losing their way home. They might also struggle to recognize where they are, even if it's a place they've visited countless times. This disorientation is particularly troubling as it can lead to dangerous situations, such as getting lost or forgetting how to perform essential daily activities. 5. Impaired judgment. Dementia often leads to impaired judgment, which can be dangerous. Someone with dementia may make poor decisions, such as neglecting personal hygiene, dressing inappropriately for the weather, or failing to recognize a health problem. For example, they may wear heavy clothing on a hot day or forget to take necessary medications. These lapses in judgment can put their health and safety at risk. Recognizing this sign early can allow family members to step in and assist, ensuring that the person receives proper care. 6. Problems with abstract thinking. People with dementia may have trouble understanding abstract concepts, especially numbers and symbols. This may manifest in their inability to manage finances, follow a recipe, or understand the value of money. Unlike occasional confusion over numbers, Dementia causes significant difficulty with tasks that require abstract thinking, like balancing a checkbook or understanding how a bill is calculated. If you notice someone having difficulty with these tasks, it could indicate that their cognitive abilities are declining in a way that requires medical attention. 7. Misplacing things. While everyone misplaces items from time to time, like keys or glasses, those with dementia often put things in unusual places. A person may put their wallet in the refrigerator or their glasses in the bathroom drawer, and then be unable to remember where they placed them. Over time, they may accuse others of stealing the misplaced items, as they are unable to understand or recognize their own actions. This behavior may seem trivial at first, but as the memory loss worsens, it can lead to increased frustration and confusion. 8. Changes in mood, personality, and behavior. Sudden or severe changes in mood and behavior are another red flag of dementia. People with dementia might become more withdrawn, anxious, or suspicious for no apparent reason. They may exhibit out-of-character behavior, like becoming easily agitated, fearful, or tearful. Personality changes are especially noticeable when someone who is usually calm becomes aggressive, or someone who is normally happy becomes depressed. These shifts in mood and behavior often stem from confusion, frustration, and a lack of control over their changing mental state. 9. Loss of initiative. A person with dementia may begin to lose interest in activities or people they once loved. Whether it's family, friends, or hobbies, they may no longer engage in conversations or pursue their favorite activities. This lack of interest can result in social isolation, which only worsens the emotional toll that dementia takes on a person. While it's normal to experience periods of low energy or motivation, a person with dementia may persistently avoid interactions or tasks, even if they once enjoyed them. 10. Challenges understanding visual and spatial information. In the later stages of dementia, people may experience difficulties with vision and spatial awareness. They may have trouble judging distances or perceiving objects correctly. This can lead to issues with movement, such as difficulty navigating stairs or bumping into furniture. It may also affect their ability to recognize faces or objects, even those that are very familiar to them. If you or someone you care about is experiencing such vision or coordination issues, it's important to seek professional evaluation. These challenges could be linked to dementia or other medical conditions affecting cognition. What to do next? Talk to a doctor. If you or someone you know is showing any of the warning signs of dementia, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider. Early diagnosis can lead to better care options, slowing down the progression of the disease, and improving the quality of life. Keep in mind that while these signs are common, they do not automatically indicate dementia. Many other medical conditions can cause similar symptoms, so only a healthcare professional can provide a definitive diagnosis. Remember, dementia is not an inevitable part of aging. Understanding these warning signs and acting early can make a significant difference in treatment outcomes. Stay vigilant, informed, and proactive about your health and the health of those around you. Disclaimer: this article includes general information and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider for diagnosis and treatment. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.